When it comes to window installation, Jacksonville Beach FL, residents trust. Our team of professional window installers Jacksonville Beach is second to none. We specialize in Awning Windows Jacksonville Beach, ensuring that every project is completed with precision and care. Our Jacksonville Beach Window Experts FL are dedicated to providing top-notch service, whether you're looking for residential awning windows, Jacksonville Beach FL, or commercial window solutions, Jacksonville Beach. With our trusted window contractors, Jacksonville Beach FL, you can rest assured that your window installation needs are in capable hands. At Jacksonville Beach Windows by Ecoview, our skilled installers arrive promptly, ready to work efficiently while maintaining a clean and safe environment throughout the project. We treat your property with respect, protecting your floors and furniture during the installation process. Our team will guide you through each step, answering any questions you may have, ensuring that the final product meets your expectations. Energy-efficient awnings, windows, Jacksonville Beach are a popular choice for homeowners looking to reduce energy costs while enhancing the aesthetic appeal of their homes. Our eco-friendly window solutions, Jacksonville Beach FL, are designed to provide maximum insulation, keeping your home comfortable year-round. By choosing energy-efficient awnings, you not only save on utility bills but also contribute to a greener environment. Our Jacksonville Beach window services include a wide range of options to suit your specific needs, ensuring that you find the perfect fit for your home. Custom awning windows. Jacksonville Beach FL offer a unique blend of style and functionality, allowing you to personalize your space with window customization services, Jacksonville Beach. Our stylish awning windows, Jacksonville Beach FL, are available in a variety of designs and finishes, ensuring that you find the perfect match for your home's decor. Whether you're looking for modern awning designs, Jacksonville Beach, or more traditional options, our local window experts, Jacksonville Beach FL, are here to help you every step of the way. For those in need of window replacement services, Jacksonville Beach, our team offers affordable window options. Jacksonville Beach FL that don't compromise on quality. We use only the finest quality window materials, Jacksonville Beach, to ensure durability and longevity. Our durable awning windows, Jacksonville Beach FL, are built to withstand the harshest weather conditions, providing you with weather-resistant windows. Jacksonville Beach FL that stand the test of time. Trust our Jacksonville Beach window experts to deliver exceptional results with every window replacement project. Awning window maintenance. Jacksonville Beach is crucial for ensuring the longevity and performance of your windows. Our window replacement Jacksonville Beach FL services are designed to address any issues promptly, preventing further damage and maintaining the integrity of your windows. Regular maintenance not only extends the life of your windows, but also enhances their energy efficiency and security. Our secure awning windows, Jacksonville Beach FL, provide peace of mind, knowing that your home is protected from potential intruders. Awning Windows Jacksonville Beach are an excellent choice for homeowners seeking both functionality and aesthetic appeal. These windows are hinged at the top and open outward, allowing for ventilation even during light rain, while effectively preventing water from entering. Jacksonville Beach Windows by Ecoview offers a variety of energy-efficient awning windows that not only enhance your home's appearance, but also contribute to reduced energy costs. Their products are designed with the local climate in mind, ensuring durability and optimal performance.